So I wanted to show you how perfectly these new pads we have fit clients. As you can see, very versatile. You can have the thin end or the fat end near the inner corner of the eye. Very, very versatile, like I said, but they just fit absolutely seamlessly. And I'm going to talk more about them and show you more about them because these days it is really hard to find decent under eye pads. Now, I don't know if any of you guys have noticed that there seems to be a real issue these days with good eye patches that actually fit and stick. Something has changed in the industry. Years ago, we had awesome ones and they've changed the texture of the paper, and now they tend to be hydro pads and nothing sticks to the client. They end up lifting off, or they're just the wrong shape and you have to cut them to size. It's been a nightmare trying to source good pads that stick. But I have found some that I absolutely love, and it is these leaf shape ones, and they are microfoam. So let me talk about these microfoam pads. What I love about these ones is they're super thin. A lot of the microfoam pads out there are actually quite thick, so they don't really fit the eye nicely, whereas you can see these are really, really nice and thin like this. They've got a really nice curve here, so they fit most clients. Of course, you're always going to have to cut some pads to size, or you might need to use tape because there's no one eye that is the same shape as any other. But these do seem to fit really well. They are super sticky, so they're not going to budge, but also the great thing is that you can detack them like any pad. Just detack them on I actually prefer to do it on the client. Always ask permission. I'm not a big fan of tacking off the back of my hand because it's a transfer of my skin cells. However, I am holding the pad, but I just ask permission of the client if I can just detack it on their forehead. If you want to detack it, you don't need to. And yeah, it just means that it's not going to be quite as sticky. So nice and thin, nice shape. Now, mannequin heads don't really mirror a real person, but I'm just going to pop it on here just so that you can see how it actually fits on a client nicely. You can always cut your pads to size, okay? You might find that on some of your clients with small eyes, this mannequin head's got quite small eyes, is that your pads will be a little bit too long. You can cut this bit off here, or you can cut like a little section out of here, which is what I sometimes do. You can cut this bit off. The It's endless how you cut your pads, it really is. But just see how beautiful this fits. Look, it just fits so seamless. This is a beautiful, beautiful thin micro foam pad that just fits lovely. So guys, if you are looking for nice iPads and you're getting fed up with not being able to find them, come and give these ones a go and see how you get on, because they are really, really nice. I'm using them on all of my clients now. Absolutely love them. Like I said, great for those clients that are a little bit sensitive. They don't budge during the treatment, and they're also very comfy. So come and check them out on the shop, and yeah, give them a go.